Hi guys, this is Shivash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the DEX function, average, average A and average X. All these functions compute the average from a numeric value. First of all, we check the average function. Average function calculates the arithmetic mean from a particular column. It means it sum up the value, all the value of the cells of that particular column and divide the total number of rows. Average functions does not support the logical value and text value. Generally, it supports integer, numeric, decimal value, and it returns the scalar value. Now we check the practical use of the average function. So we have the data. So data already uploaded, and you can download this sample file from the link given in the description. So we have the segment, country, product. These are the text type, quantity sold, numbers, year of sales, then sales date, date type, then again numbers, and finally last column it's a logical boolean value. So in the report section we have a table. In the table we have taken the country, product, quantity sold, sales date, date type, and finally boolean value. So let's see how the average function works on these data types. First of all, we take a card. Now we create the new measure. And first of all, we calculate the average on the country text type. Say average and pass country column. Then it is created, drag and drop measure in the card. So you can observe it's a error. We check the details. It says the function average cannot work with the values of type string. So average function does not support text, string or logical values. Okay. So it's product the same thing. Now quantity sold. We try quantity sold. Now the answer is 217. Average quantity sold is at 217. And how it is happening? First of all, it calculates the total. It's at 3474 and then divide the total number of rows. Now, if we try the date type, then it's a 44K. What do you mean? First of all, it converts the date into numbers, then sum up all the values and then divide by the total number of rows. So this doesn't make any sense. And finally, we have the logical value. We try is active. Again error. We check details. Average function cannot work with the values of type boolean. So average function does not support text and the boolean. Now we check the average A. This is very similar to the average. Only the difference is the average A function can handle the text and non-numeric values. It returns a scalar value. It supports logical value. Logical value means if it is true, then it will take as a 1. If it is false, then it will take as a 0. Non-numeric text always counted at 0. The length of the string doesn't matter. If it is an empty string, then it is also considered as a 0. Now, we'll check how to use the average A. First of all, we check the country and product. Both are the text type. If I try say average A, then country and execute, then answer is 0. Because in case of the average A, it does not support the string. All the strings, the length of the string doesn't matter, always consider as a 0. So now we try quantity sold. 217, same as it was in the average. Now we try the sales date. 44K, same answer as it was in the case of the average. It converted the date into numbers, then sum up all the values and divide by the total number of rows. Finally, is active logical Boolean value. If I try is active. Now 1, because 1 for the true and 0 for the false. This logical Boolean value did not support in case of the average, but average A does that. So it calculates all the sum of the 111 true and then false and divided by the total number of rows. Now we check the average X. Average X does the same thing. It calculates the average or arithmetic mean, but in a different manner. This average X requires a two parameter, table and the expression. Table, it's an iterator. Iterators or iteration means in case of the iteration, each and every row is processed one by one. Then expression. And expression is evaluated for each and every row. And on the basis of that result, arithmetic means or means average is calculated. Average X does not support logical and Boolean values. Now we'll check how to use the average X function. Give data and suppose in a country, for a particular country, I need the average calculation of this quantity sold or for a particular product. So for this requirement, I can use the average X function, but I have to apply filter. So I change this one, average X, and then filter, and filter table, first parameter, second parameter, it's a condition or you can say filter expression, then sales, so country equal to say Canada, then second parameter of the average X, quantity sold. Now I execute this one. So average is the 313 because I've taken only three rows from this table, not the whole table. So the expression is evaluated for each and every row. This row, this row, this row. And 820, 120, this is the total and divided by the 3. So this is the average. Suppose I change the product rather than country, say product, and product equal to mouse. Then okay, I showed the product. Now we have the three row for the mouse. So only these three rows will be scanned and the expression for this one will be evaluated for this row. And this is the sum of 820, 15 and divided by the 3. So this is the average for the product mouse. So this is how you can use the average X function. So guys, this was all about the DEX functions, average, average A and average X. Thanks for watching the video.